So Carnival Cruise Lines did it. Royal Caribbean did it. MSC Cruise Lines did it. And now Disney Cruise Line has done it. And if your guess of what they have done is require vaccinations, then you would be correct. And we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so Disney Cruise Lines joins the other cruise lines, Carnival Cruise Lines, Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, and MSC Cruise Lines in now requiring 100% vaccinations for passengers 12 years and older for sailings to the Bahamas. They have posted the change up on their website today, so we're going to go ahead and jump over onto the computer and take a look at those changes. Alright, so here we are on Disney Cruise Line's website, and it has sailings to the Bahamas, September 3rd, 2021 until November 1st of 2021. For sailings to the Bahamas beginning September 3rd, 2021 until November 1st of 2021, the Bahamas will require that all passengers ages 12 and older be fully vaccinated in order for a ship to be allowed entry into any of its cruise ports, including private islands like Disney's Castaway Cay. To comply with this new requirement, all guests ages 12 and older must be fully vaccinated to board the ship. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention considers people to be fully vaccinated 14 days after the final dose has been administered. Guests must provide proof of vaccination by uploading their vaccination card to the Safe Passage by Inspire website no later than 24 hours before their sailing. Guests who choose not to provide proof of vaccination to meet the requirements of the Bahamas will not be permitted to board the ship. Guests under the age of 12 must still provide proof of a negative COVID-19 PCR test taken between 5 days and 24 hours prior to the sail date by uploading their test results to the Safe Passage by Inspire website. They will also be required to undergo a second PCR COVID-19 test administered by Inspire Diagnostics at the terminal prior to boarding. Guests on a sailing to the Bahamas, including Disney's Castaway Cay, departing from September 3rd, 2021 to prior to November 1st, 2021, may modify their sail date or cancel their sailing without any Disney-imposed cancellation fees by contacting our reservations team at 866-325-6685, and y'all can see the second phone number there. By September 3rd of 2021, guests and travel agents will receive an email from Disney Cruise Line outlining additional details and the next steps. And there you have it, Disney's new vaccination protocols. So if you are on a sailing that is going to the Bahamas starting on September 3rd and you are 12 or older, you will need to be fully vaccinated in order to board the cruise ship. You must, of course, provide proof of your vaccination through the website that Disney here has provided. It looks like they are using a third-party company to track both their COVID-19 testing as well as passenger vaccination statuses. So if you are booked on any of these cruises that will be affected, you should be receiving an email if you have not already received an email, so that you can decide whether you're going to get vaccinated and sail, you are already vaccinated and will continue to sail, or if you need to change your sail date or cancel altogether. And of course, children under the age of 12 will be able to sail without a vaccination, but will still need their COVID-19 test prior to arriving at the cruise port, and will be taking a second COVID test at the cruise port prior to boarding the ship. Now, this is in addition to the health and safety protocols that Disney has already implemented. If you're not familiar with those, I either recommend you go to Disney's website and take a look at their health and safety protocols, or if you want, you can take a look at this video here. I'll go ahead and put it up here on the screen for you that we did on Disney Cruise Line protocols, and you can get the information there as well. So the question for today's comments will be, do you have a cruise booked on Disney Cruise Lines? Will these changes in the Bahamas affect your Disney cruise? Or are you fully vaccinated, ready to go, and will still be on board your ship? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about Disney's new vaccination protocols. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Give the video a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.